Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today I've come up with a list of 5 things the poor should quit if they want to be rich. Before kicking off, have you ever thought that why the rich are rich and the poor are poor? Because successful people have habits that drive them to success, while poor people have habits that keep them poor. To become successful people, there are 5 habits that poor people should quit if they want to be rich. If you want to avoid staying stuck with your current financial situation, stop making these bad habits now and replace them with new ones that will lead you towards prosperity. Keep watching this video until the end because you are going to know which 5 habits are hindering you to become rich quietly. If you want to be rich or believe you are going to be rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos related to wealth secrets, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. The first habit, complaining. Complaining is one of the habits that poor people should quit if they want to be rich. Ike, who is a self-made millionaire and the author of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, had written, complaining is the worst thing you can do for your wealth. You may ask why. It is a matter of the law of attraction. Ike mentioned, the more complaints you make, the more crap you attract into your life. As a result, those craps slow down your speed of becoming rich as you need to waste tons of time to fix them. Generally speaking, the problem with poor people's complaints is that they usually don't have any solutions in the end. So, instead of just wasting time complaining, the best way to change anything is through action. So take action towards improving yourself and making things better for you right now. There are many rich people out there who refuse to complain. What the rich do is not complain and find a way to get it done. Also, they had the determination to push forward no matter what happens around them because they knew what was important. Making money for themselves and their families so that they could live comfortable lives without worrying about money ever again. For example, they may think about how to increase their income, how to make money online. If you are interested in discovering more about how to make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Habit number 2, making excuses. Making excuses is one habit that poor people should quit if they want to be rich. It could lead to even more poverty because it keeps you stuck in a rut that prevents you from achieving your goals and dreams. Here is a saying you may hear, I can't save money because I don't make enough money. Sound familiar? It doesn't matter if you are struggling now. It's never too late to change your habits and break free from the cycle of poverty. To do so, you will need to quit making excuses. For example, instead of saying I can't save money, ask yourself, how can I save money? Is there any idea that can help me to save money? Can budgeting help me to save money? Or how can I increase my income so that I can save more money? Can I increase my income by making money online? If you are interested in discovering more how to make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. So next time you come across an excuse like I don't have enough money, try telling yourself this instead. It doesn't matter where I am right now because it's never too late to change. All that matters is taking the steps towards achieving financial stability and living without regrets. Before going to the Number 3 habit. If you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Habit number 3. Blaming others. Blaming others is a symptom of the poor mind, which keeps the poor from being rich. Instead of blaming other people, start acting to take responsibility. Because when you blame others for your situation, you are not taking accountability for what has happened, and that is how you become trapped in the cycle of poverty. Instead, the rich don't blame people because they understand that nobody can make things happen except you. You may ask, how to stop blaming others can benefit you if you want to be rich. Just observe what rich people do or won't do, then you can find out the reason why stop blaming others can benefit you if you want to be rich. You won't see rich people blaming others because they keep pushing themselves to pass through obstacles and believe in themselves they can create a better life for themselves and the families in their own hands. If you attribute the difficulties to others, you will never be able to solve them alone. You may feel better by blaming others, but in the end, it just makes things worse. After all, when you blame others for what has happened in your life, you are also saying that there is no reason for you to try hard anymore or make any changes because everything will always stay the same. Habit number 4. Focusing on the negative. The habit of focusing on the negative is one of the habits that poor people should quit if they want to be rich. It is very common in poor people because they always look at the bad side of things. There are many advantages to being rich, but most people never consider them. They only focus on the disadvantages. For example, money can't guarantee happiness. Poor people complain about their situation. They will say things like, I don't know why God has done this to me, or I wish things were different. These statements destroy your self-esteem and make you feel inferior to others who do not have as many problems as you do. It is not beneficial if you want to be rich. The best way for poor people to overcome this habit is by constantly reminding themselves how lucky they are to have everything they need to survive and thrive in life today. The final habit number 5, being lazy. Being lazy is one of the habits that poor people should quit if they want to be rich. Lazy people are always looking for ways out of their problems and don't take responsibility for their actions. The most important trait for success is a willingness to work hard for a period of time, because consistency is part of the keys to financial success. As Warren Buffett mentioned before, if you see someone sitting in the shade nowadays because they had planted a tree a long time ago. Have you ever thought about how successful people build their wealth out of curiosity? Actually, there's no substitute for putting in the time and effort required to build wealth. Successful people don't become that way suddenly. What most people see at a glance, wealth is the result of hard work and hustle over time. There is a myth that many people look at successful people and think they must have been born with a special gift that allowed them to succeed without working hard like everyone else. But they are just as human as anyone else. In fact, the vast majority of billionaires are self-made, including Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Grant Cardone, and Alex Hormozi. Successful people do more than others do regularly and never stop learning or looking for ways to improve themselves. For For example, Warren Buffett has said that he spends 80% of his time reading or thinking about investments, even during breakfast. He once remarked, "I'm greedy when it comes to money." Warren Buffett understands the power of compounding interest, which happens when you invest your money. Therefore, it earns interest while sitting in your account, or compounds interest while sitting in your account. Warren Buffett mentioned before, take advantage of compound interest to grow the wealth. Compound interest is just like a snowball. It takes a long runway, aka time, to grow. It starts at the top of the hill and gets rolling downhill. Compound interest is powerful because the initial investment grows into something much larger over time due to continual investment returns, like planting seeds and letting them grow into plants. Investing in index funds is a great way to ensure you earn compound interest. Index funds that track an entire market index, such as the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, Nasdaq 100, etc. You put your money into one index fund instead of spreading it out among different types of stocks, bonds, etc. So there's less risk and better diversification. Be patient, don't get scared. Do your due diligence and you can make a killing. It's time to stop being lazy and take action towards your dreams now. To conclude, if you want a quality of life on par with your fellow wealthy peers, it's time to change how you live now. The great thing about this is that once these 5 habits are changed, all other habits will follow suit. Quitting these habits will make you wealthy and healthy, happy and confident too. If you want to discover more about how to make money online to boost your income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about the rich, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.